So hi Onadal, in today's session, I would like to continue some problems on first order higher degree differential equations. In that one, in previous session, I discussed equations which are solvable for P. So form P, okay. So that is it involves x, y, and the variable P. As in, yes, you see this some more interesting examples in that category. This first one x square p square plus 3xyp plus 2y square is equal to 0. You write this as xp whole square. You write it is xp whole square plus 3y into xp plus 2y square is equal to 0. So it looks like a quadratic equation. Okay. So with xp in place of ax x, so if you assume it is in the form of ax square plus by plus c, so in place of x we have xp. So now you use the method of completing the square. So already discussed in last class, you take xp, if it is plus you put plus and take the half of this coefficient of xp ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ xp coefficient ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So that is half means it is 3y by 2 and put square to this one. Next this is always minus and square this fact term, that is 3y by 2. If you square in this one, it is 9y square divided by 4 plus 2y square is equal to 0. Okay. So simplifying this, xp plus 3y by 2 whole square. So minus, so 4 is the LCM here, 9y square plus 8y square all divided by 4 is equal to 0. So that is xp plus 3y by 2 whole square, and this becomes minus y square divided by 4. When you bring this one to right hand side, it is plus y square divided by 4. Okay. Now, if you remove this square, so then xp plus 3y by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of y square divided by 4. So that is xp plus 3y divided by 2 is equal to plus or minus y divided by 2. So therefore that linear factors are xp plus 3y by 2, xp plus 3y by 2 is equal to plus y by 2, and another one is xp plus 3y by 2 is equal to minus y divided by 2. Okay. So now you simplifying this, it is xp is equal to y by 2 minus, when you bring this 3y by 2 to right hand side, it is minus 3y by 2. So that is x is equal to minus 2y by 2. 2 cancels. So that is xp is equal to minus y. As you know that p is p andre no, p andre dy by dx. So write that dy by dx in place of p. So it is x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Then solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So dy by y is equal to minus dx by x. Integrating this, integration of dy by y is equal to minus integration of dx by x plus a constant of integration log c. Okay, that is log y is equal to, this is log y is equal to minus log x plus log c. Log y is equal to log a minus log b is log a by b. So log a, log c minus log x is log c by x. Cancel log on both sides. Y is equal to c by x, or xy is equal to c. That is the first solution. So next, another solution is, so if we simplifying this one, xp plus, okay, it is xp is equal to minus y by 2 minus 3y by 2. So that is x into p is dy by dx is equal to, this is minus 4y divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus 2y. So that is dy by y is equal to minus 2 into dx by x. Integrating this, and you take the constant of integration is some log c. Integration of 1 by y is log y. Log y is equal to minus 2 log x plus log c, which is equal to log of x to the power minus 2 plus log c. So that is the log of c into x to the power minus 2. That is because log a plus log b is log ab. Cancel log on both. So it is y is equal to cx to the minus 2, or y is equal to c by x square, or x square y is equal to c. So therefore complete solution is xy minus c into x square y minus c is equal to 0. Is like this, you find its solution. Is one more problem of the same type. So of course it is easy one. Here you take p is a common factor. So from these two you take p is a common factor, it is p plus x. Plus here you take y is a common factor, it is p plus x is equal to 0. Again you take p plus x is a common factor. So it is p plus x into p plus y is equal to 0. So we have to solve this. P plus x is equal to 0, and another one p plus y is equal to 0. What is p? P is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus x. Take this x to right hand side. So dy is equal to minus x into dx, and integrating this plus constant. So that is y is equal to minus integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Similarly here this is dy by dx is equal to minus y. So now you take dy by y is equal to minus dx. So and integrating this, integration of dy by y is equal to integration of minus dx plus a constant of integration, you may take it is log c. Now integration of 1 by y is log y. Log y is equal to minus x plus log c. So to remove this log, you take y is equal to e to the power of minus x plus log c. Y is equal to e to the power of minus x into e to the power of log c. Here we can cancel this, remaining is c here. Y is equal to c by e to the power of x. E to the power of minus x can be written as 1 by e to the power of plus x. E to the power of x into y is equal to c is the solution. So therefore the complete solution is, therefore solution, complete solution. Complete solution is y plus x square by 2 minus c. So you write c as plus c minus c, no problem in it. So it is e to the power of x into y minus c is equal to c. That's all. Here take one more example of same type. P square plus y minus 2x into p minus 2xy is equal to 0. So every time don't try to solve the quadratic equation or don't try to use the method of completing square. So just think over to factorize as it is. If not, it is not possible, then only use the method of completing square or quadratic equation technique to factorize this one. Okay, it is p square plus, you write it is py minus 2xp minus 2xy is equal to 0. Okay, now you take p is a common factor from first two terms. Take p is a common factor. So remaining is p plus y minus, here you take 2x is a common factor, remaining is p plus y is equal to 0. So take p plus y is a common factor. So remaining here is p minus 2x is equal to 0. So that is p plus y is equal to 0 and p minus 2x is equal to 0. As p plus y is equal to 0, you know its solution. P plus y is 0. So in that case, we have e to the power of x into y is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ, ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು as it is ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ. I am writing its answer directly. It is y into e to the power of x. So y into e to the power of x is equal to c. Okay, here it is dy by dx is equal to 2x. Yeah, small difference here. So that is integrating this. So its integration gives dy is equal to integration of 2x dx plus a constant. So that is y is equal to 2 into x square by 2 plus c. 2 cancels, y is equal to x square plus c. So therefore the solution is y into e power x minus c into y minus x square minus c is equal to 0. So that's all. So take one more example. Yes, it is a cubic equation. It is a cubic equation. As give some values to by inspection method. So ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. It is 6p cube minus 7p square minus p plus 2 is equal to 0. Here initially you take put p is equal to 1. What it implies, if you take p is 1, p ಗೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 6 minus 7 minus 1 plus 2 0 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ p is equal to 1 is a root of this equation. So if p is equal to 1 is a root, so then p minus 1 is equal to 0 is a factor. P minus 1 is a factor. So therefore p minus 1, ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, p minus 1 is a factor. Okay, so to find the remaining values, use the synthetic division. I think you know that synthetic division. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, write the coefficient of p cube, it is 6, coefficient of p square, coefficient of p and constant 6 minus 7 minus 1 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so when you are putting p is equal to 1, it gives 0, so take 1 here. Okay, now initially this value is 0. ಇದು 0 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. 6 plus 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ನೇ. 6 into 1 is 6. Minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. So ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 6p square minus p minus 2 is equal to 0. By using this we can find another two linear factors. ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು linear factors ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is 6p square minus 4p plus 3p minus 2 is equal to 0. So here you take 2p is a common factor. Then it is 3p minus 2 is remaining. Plus 1 is a common factor. It is 3p minus 2 is equal to 0. Again you take 3p minus 2 is a common factor. So remaining here is 2p plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore all factors are p minus 1, 3p minus 2 and 2p plus 1. So therefore p minus 1 is equal to 0 is one factor. 3p minus 2 is equal to 0 is the another factor. 2p plus 1 is equal to 0 is the another factor. So what is p? P is dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 1. Now dy is equal to dx. Integrating this, and constant of integration is c. So that is y is equal to x plus c. Similarly here 3 into dy by dx is equal to 2. So 3 into dy is equal to 2 dx. Integrating this plus constant c. So it is 3y is equal to 2x plus c. 2 into dy by dx is equal to, take this 1 to right hand side, it is minus 1. 2 dy is equal to minus dx. 2 into integration of dy is equal to minus integration of dx plus c. So that is 2y is equal to minus x plus c, or 2y plus x minus c is equal to 0. So therefore complete solution is y minus x minus c into 3y minus 2x minus c into 2y plus x minus c is equal to 0. Cubic equation ಇದ್ರೆ 3 factors ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, one more example of the same type. As you see this example, so in this one, to solve this one, we have to find the 3 factors because it is of cubic equation. Okay, so to find that factors, 3 linear factors, so ಮೂರು linear factors ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, of course it is easy one. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ p ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. Okay, you can take p is a common factor. So if you take p is a common factor, remaining is p square into x plus 2y plus 3p into x plus y plus, if p comes outside, remaining is y plus 2x here, which is equal to 0. So now you write this is p is equal to 0 and p square plus p square into x plus 2y, p square into x plus 2y plus 3p into x plus y plus y plus 2x, this is equal to 0. To find the another 2 factors, or to solve this quadratic equation, so you give some values to p. p ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ. So 0 ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. So you check whether it is it is possible to get 0 or not. So I am given here p is equal to minus 1. When you are inspecting the root, ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 1 ಅಥವಾ -1 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ -1 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. +1 ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ -1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು x plus 2y plus 3 into -1 into x plus y plus y plus 2x, which implies that so it is x plus 2y and this is minus 3x minus 3y plus y plus 2x. So this is 2y plus y is 3y. 3y cancelled with minus 3y. 2x plus x 3x. 3x cancelled with minus 3x, which is equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. So andre p is equal to -1 is a root. So then p plus 1 is another factor. So therefore p plus 1 is a factor. To find the remaining factors, so ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to divide this equation from p plus 1. p plus 1 ಇಂದ ಈ equation ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? So start division from p plus 1. We have to divide x plus 2y into p square plus 3p into x plus y plus y plus 2x. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To divide this one from p plus 1. So how to get this x plus 2y? By multiplying a factor with p. p ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to take x plus 2y into p. p ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x plus 2y into p square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so for that reason we consider x plus 2y into p as a first factor here. p into x plus 2y into p, it gives that x plus 2y into p square. Next 1 into this, so that is plus 1 into this, that is x plus 2y into p, or p into x plus 2y. So change the sign, you know the division, so this cancels idralli. So we have to take, so p is a common factor. ಇಲ್ಲಿ p ನ common factor ತಗೊಂಡು simplify ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ. So take p is a common factor. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ p ಇದೆ. So p ನ common factor ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3x ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 3x minus x is 2x. Next ಹಾಗೇನೆ 3y minus 2y, because this is minus into 2y minus 2y. 3y minus 2y is y plus y plus 2x. So next step, so what factor we have to multiply with p to get p into 2x plus y? ಏನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x plus y multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you take 2x plus y here. 2x plus y into p is p into 2x plus y plus, because plus is there, plus 2x plus y into 1 is 2x plus y. Okay, change the sign, this cancels, you can the same factors there. This is also 2x plus y, this is 2x plus y, 2x plus y, 2x plus y cancels, so remainder is 0. So when we are dividing this with p plus 1, we are getting x plus 2y into p plus 2x plus y. So therefore we write given equation is like this: p into p plus 1 into x plus 2y into p plus 2x plus y. ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so now we have to solve this linear factors. P is equal to 0, first solution. P plus 1 is equal to 0, second solution. X plus 2y into P plus 2x plus y is equal to 0, third solution. P is equal to 0 andre dy by dx is equal to 0. So that is dy is equal to 0. So integrating this. So if integrating this, dy is equal to, dy is equal to 0, or you can write it as constant. So that is y is equal to constant. First solution. So this is dy by dx is equal to 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus. So you write it is dy is equal to minus dx. Integrating this, dy is equal to minus integration of dx plus c. So y is equal to minus x plus c. Okay, so to solve this equation, you write it is x plus 2y into dy by dx plus 2x plus y is equal to 0. I am writing this as x plus 2y into dy plus 2x plus y into dx is equal to 0. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ನೆಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್, ಯೂಸ್ ಚೋರ್ ಟು ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಎಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಎನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ x ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಒನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ m ಹಿಯರ್? So it is in the form of dx plus ndy is equal to 0. m is 2x plus y. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, dx ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್, dy ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ m ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x plus y and n is x plus 2y. So del m by del y ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, del n by del x ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is also 1. So del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. So therefore it is exact differential equation. It is exact differential equation. So exact differential equation solution ಗೊತ್ತು. m dx, m ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x plus y, 2x plus y into dx plus the term which is independent of x, x ಇಲ್ದನೆ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ n ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, x ಇಲ್ದನೆ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is only 2y. 2y into dy is equal to constant. So it is 2 into x square by 2. Integrating this, integration of x is x square by 2 plus xy plus 2 into y square by 2 is equal to constant. 2 cancels, this 2 and 2 cancels. So it is x square plus y square plus xy is equal to c. X square plus y square plus xy is equal to c is the solution. So write the complete solution. So if you write the complete solution, complete solution is y minus c into y plus x minus c into x square plus y square plus xy minus c. This is equal to 0. Okay, so like this we solve first order higher degree differential equations. Yes, you try to solve these two equations. Both are easy one. I already solved this type of equations. Okay. So just practice these two problems. So with this, I finished the type 1, that is the equation solvable for P. Okay. So in next class, I will discuss the equations which are solvable for X, solvable for Y, and Claret's equations. Thank you.